Picture this. It's a normal weekday. You grab coffee on your way to work, maybe order food later because you're tired, scroll through your phone and buy something small that feels deserved. Nothing crazy. Nothing irresponsible. Just normal life. And if you're like most people, you probably don't think twice about any of it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Some of these normal financial habits, things that feel harmless, can quietly cost you hundreds of thousands, even over $1 million over your lifetime. And the worst part? You don't feel it happening. There's no warning sign, no alarm, just small decisions compounding in the background. I spend way too much time thinking about 5 financial mistakes that can cost you $1 million over your lifetime. If you're someone who is ambitious and aspiring to make a change in your finances, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this video helps you out. Look, here's the thing. Most people think losing $1 million requires a huge mistake, bad investment, business failure, something dramatic. But that's not how it works. In reality, wealth is usually lost through small, repeated decisions over time. And today, I'm going to break down 5 of the most common financial mistakes that quietly destroy long-term wealth, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Let's start with mistake number 1. Mistake number 1, delaying investing. This is the biggest one, and I mean that mathematically. Let's say you invest $500 per month starting at age 25, earning an average return of 8% per year. By age 65, you'd have about $1.75 million. Now let's change one thing. You wait until age 35 to start. Same $500 per month. Same 8% return. Now you end up with around $760,000. That's nearly a $1 million difference, just from waiting 10 years. Here's what most people don't realize. Time is more powerful than money when it comes to investing. Early years matter disproportionately because of compounding. But psychologically, people delay investing because they feel like they need to earn more first or figure everything out. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have enough money to invest right now. And that's exactly why this mistake is so common, because it feels logical. But waiting actually costs far more than starting small. Even $100 per month invested early can outperform larger contributions started later. Mistake number 2. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. Look, this one is sneaky. You get a raise. You upgrade your lifestyle. Better apartment. Nicer car. More convenience. And on the surface, it feels like progress. But here's the hidden cost. Let's say every time your income increases, you spend an extra $500 per month instead of investing it. If that $500 had been invested at 8% for 30 years, that's about $745,000. Gone. Just from gradually increasing your lifestyle. Here's what most people don't realize. Lifestyle inflation doesn't feel like overspending. It feels like keeping up or rewarding yourself. But over time, it locks you into a financial ceiling. You earn more, but you don't build more wealth. Mistake number 3. Mistake number 3, carrying high-interest debt. This is where it gets really interesting. Because high-interest debt doesn't just slow your progress, it actively works against you. Credit cards often charge 18% to 25% interest. Let's say you carry a balance of $10,000 at 20% interest. That's $2,000 per year in interest alone. Now imagine that money instead being invested at 8%. The gap between paying 20% and earning 8% is massive. Over time, that difference compounds in the wrong direction. Here's a simple way to think about it. Investing grows your wealth. Debt shrinks it. And high-interest debt accelerates that shrinkage. But psychologically, people normalize debt. Monthly payments feel manageable. So the long-term cost becomes invisible. Mistake number 4. Mistake number 4, not increasing your income. This one might surprise you, because personal finance advice often focuses on cutting expenses, budgeting, saving, reducing spending. And yes, those things matter. But here's the truth. There's only so much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Let's say someone increases their income by $10,000 per year and invests that extra money for 25 years at 8%. That alone could grow to roughly $730,000. Here's what most people don't realize. Focusing only on saving without increasing income creates a bottleneck. You're trying to build wealth with limited fuel. And this is where mindset comes in. Some people see income as fixed. Others see it as expandable. That difference changes everything. Mistake number 5. Mistake number 5. Ignoring small recurring expenses. Now, this one sounds basic, but it's powerful. Subscriptions, daily spending, convenience purchases. Individually, they seem harmless, but collectively they add up. Let's say you spend $10 per day on small, unnecessary expenses. That's about $300 per month. If invested at 8% for 30 years, that becomes around $450,000. Almost $500,000. From $10 a day. Now, this doesn't mean you should never spend money on things you enjoy. That's not the point. The point is awareness. Intentional spending versus automatic spending. Because automatic spending quietly drains your future. Now, let's step back for a second. Because all 5 of these mistakes share something in common. They're not dramatic. They don't feel dangerous. They feel normal. And that's exactly why they're so costly. Here's what most people don't realize. Wealth isn't built through one big decision. It's built, or destroyed, through thousands of small ones. This is where it gets really interesting. Because the same way small mistakes compound negatively, small smart decisions compound positively. Start investing early. Control lifestyle inflation. Eliminate high-interest debt. Increase your income. Be intentional with spending. These aren't complicated strategies. But applied consistently, they completely change your financial trajectory. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I even start? Start small. Pick one area. Maybe it's investing your first $100. Maybe it's cutting one unnecessary expense. Maybe it's finding a way to earn an extra $200 this month. Momentum matters more than perfection. Because once you start seeing progress, your behavior changes, your confidence grows, and your financial decisions improve naturally. Avoiding these 5 mistakes won't just save you money. It can literally be the difference between struggling financially and building long-term wealth, between working out of necessity and working by choice. So here's a question for you. Which of these mistakes do you think is costing you the most right now? Be honest with yourself. Drop it in the comments. And if this video gave you a new perspective on money, make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Because on this channel, we break down the psychology of wealth, the habits that build financial freedom, and the strategies that help you design a better life. And remember this, $1 million isn't just something you earn. It's something you either build or slowly lose, one decision at a time.